finally aboard the Carnival Vista. Oh buddy, look at this. Alright, so I've heard that this funnel over here changes every, I think, hour. So yeah, we're definitely gonna have to come back and look at this. I can almost touch the display.
Oh, sorry.
I have been waiting for one of these for a very long time.
How many years?
I think it's been 4 years. I think 1 or 2. Well, while everyone tries to get to their mustard station, I guess I could show you around our room. Not only does this room have 1 bathroom, but 2. And sadly, the first one doesn't have a toilet, but it does have a giant bathtub. It also has this sink, some soap, a mirror, and another mirror. We also have not 1, not 2, but 3 closets. First one is just a normal ordinary closet with a mirror. There's a lot of mirrors in this room. And a second one without a mirror. Here's my suitcase. It's just average closet. And then the third one has a safe in it, which I'm not going to tell you the passcode. And yeah, it has some cubbies and some shelves to put all your items. This room also has a fridge, which we have already have fully loaded with soda and water. And the room also has 2 USBs, 2 normal outlets, and I don't know what that one is, but it looks like a very high voltage outlet, and another mirror. Usually ships that I've been on usually have 1 of these home outlets, and which is why we brought this right here. We also have a humongous window, which is so big that you could probably fit 2 me's in here. There is also a TV, which is about this big compared to my head. Alright, so I guess I'm gonna go up to like deck 9 and 10 and stuff, because there's a lot of stuff closed down here for right now. So I think there's more stuff that's open on deck 10 and 11 and stuff. So let's go. Alright, here it is. I think this is the Lido Deck. Yeah, here we are. I think I'm gonna go up there. Wait a minute. Alright, so this ride I've been trying to go on called the Skyride over here, it's finally open. So I may come back here later on today and get my GoPro, and I can take you guys all around the ship. So yeah. Alright, I just got on the Skyride. I'm gonna admit, when I record it, it's not gonna be my first time, but I know what to expect now. So I'm gonna go down and get my GoPro, and yeah, let's go. I sure hope I didn't just get me a 15-minute wait after going on there once and everyone looking at me. So hopefully the line isn't that long when I get back. There's a lot of elevator traffic, and so I have to take the stairs right now because all the elevators are working at full capacity. So I'm gonna take the stairs down to my room. You can get the GoPro and head up to the Skyride. Okay, now talk, because we're going upstairs now. Got the GoPro with me. Let's go. we're gonna go ahead and plug up my phone, and so that we'll be ready to go and film more stuff. Man, we still haven't left port yet. Yeah, we're definitely gonna leave sometime around today. If everyone gets to their muster station and does all their stuff for safety and all that. But yeah, let's get this phone plugged up. See if it'll charge. I have no doubts it won't, so. Yay! Alright, so we gotta let it sit there for a while and we'll go back to exploring the ship. Well, there goes the Carnival Dream. And we're next. Well, it's later in the day, and this is the picture, I think, for this hour. One thing that's really cool about the Carnival Vista is that it has an onboard IMAX theater. Now, they said I could take a look. Wow, look at that screen, it's so big. The screen is so big, I can't even get it into the entire frame. The wide camera lens is on right now on my phone, and it still cannot get. Alright, it is now day 2 of our cruise, and yeah, we are now in the middle of the ocean. I'll probably get a better view of the ocean from the Lido Deck, but yeah. Well, I don't know how I'm gonna start today. I'm wondering if I should go to the water park or go on the Skyride, or maybe do the ropes course, or look at all the other stuff they have on deck. So yeah. And welcome to the Gulf of Mexico. Obviously there's a lot of water. And I'm up here on the I don't know which deck I'm on, but I'm all the way in the front of the ship right now. I'm actually right above where the captain and crew sit, actually. So yeah, this is the Gulf of Mexico. All right, so I'm finna head to the pool, but you know I can't swim in this, so obviously I gotta change. That's much better. All right, I'm on the Carnival Vista water park. Oh, buddy, I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go down this Kaleidoslide. So yeah, meet you guys on the slide. Here we come, Kaleidoslide. All right, here we go, Kaleidoslide. Whoa, whoa, this is crazy. Oh my goodness. Alright, we're gonna go on another water slide. Let's go. Oh, like this.